Life of personal growth. If you are serious about your personal growth and you would like to change for the best and grow, you should start your journey of growth. That is why we offer you this Life of Personal Growth package, to guide you through the journey of your personal growth. Personal growth is your most important project. The benefits go far beyond improving your life and self-esteem. The benefits of personal growth include learning how to better control our emotions, overcoming procrastination or laziness, being open to learning new things and skills, having a growth mindset, and creating peace and contentment with things you cannot change. Personal development or personal growth consists of activities that develop a person's capabilities and potential, build human capital, facilitate employability, and enhance the quality of life and the realization of dreams and aspirations. In our busy lives, we spend so much time focused on trying to achieve great things, often at the expense of looking after ourselves. Personal growth involves taking time out for yourself, even if it's just for 5 minutes a day. Self-care is vital to having the energy and enthusiasm to do whatever you want to do. Life of Personal Growth Package. In this Life of Personal Growth Package, you will receive Productive Powerhouse Upgrade Package, Power of Visualization Upgrade Package, The Winning Mindset Formula Upgrade Package, 10 Things You Can Do to Boost Your Self-Confidence as a bonus. Within this you will find training videos, training audio, ebook. I want the exclusive access for just $80. This course works even if you're a beginner as well. No matter what genre you're in. What our trainee says. Madison Rose. Life of Personal Growth is the single most transformative event that I have ever engaged with. It literally changed my life for the better. Every day, I am able to apply what I learned to my daily life, and it has improved my relationships, work, and everything in between. If you can only afford one thing this year, make it Life of Personal Growth. Agnes Airy. I've been working with Life of Personal Growth author for over a year now, and he is a great guy. He is always willing to pitch in where needed, even if it's not his field, and has helped me grow in my career. His ideas are usually the best around and always inspire anyone within his reach. Helen Ortiz. Life of Personal Growth is the best personal growth course that I have ever had. I am a better person because of it, and I would recommend it to anyone that needs an extra push in their life. What it does for me, it can do for you too. Marcus Johnston. Life of Personal Growth is an interesting read. The author is motivating and helps you feel like you can conquer the world. Selena Griffin. Life of Personal Growth is one of the best ways to learn about personal growth and development skills, build human capital, facilitate employability, and enhance the quality of life and the realization of dreams and aspirations, which can help you become more capable and confident. Sheila Reed. I couldn't have done it without this training. Life of Personal Growth has helped me grow so much. There is always an answer to what I need in the training, and the guided bonuses are great. I can't recommend this training course highly enough. Frequently asked questions. How do I access this course? Is there a money-back guarantee? When should I start seeing results? Still not convinced? This Life of Personal Growth package will guide you through the journey of your personal growth. I want to get started. Use the Life of Personal Growth and get an additional bonus. For anyone who wants to develop personal skills but doesn't know where to begin. Discover the most important personal development skills that can help you become more capable and confident. I want the exclusive access for just $80.